procedure to run the quill manually on the ACER email with the Fagor CNC control. Step 1. Open the disconnect cover on the side of the quill kit. Step 2. Using the CNC control, jog the quill down to the disconnect position. Step 3. Switch to the DRO mode and lock the quill. Step 4. Use a 1/4 inch Allen wrench to loosen the bolt nut lock. Then, release the quill lock. Now, we can manually move the quill. We can see the Z-axis on the display because the scale is integrated to the system. To engage back to the CNC control, move the quill manually to the connect position. Lock the quill lock. Step 6. Use a 1/4 inch Allen wrench to lock the bolt nut lock. Release the quill lock. Step 7. Return to the CNC mode. From there, we can jog the quill from the CNC mode again.